Hello guys, welcome to my channel Rahul Automation Studio. So today I'm going to explain you if there is a feature of free code and we can write our test case very quick and fast, then why we are not always using this feature to write our all the test cases in our project. So there are multiple reasons that we can't use recode and spy object feature every time in a project based on the complexity of the test case. So there are different reasons. So what are those reasons? So first is our table operation. So if our test case is based on some calculations and manipulations of table operations, so in that case, we will not be able to spy our object and record the test case. Because table operations are related to the rows and columns, and those are always dynamic. So we are not able to capture the object in that case, right? So our next reason is dynamic values. Suppose there is a web page and some values are getting dynamically populated in that. So in that case, we will not be able to record the object and the test case. Why? Because the XPath or the object properties will always be changing. So in that case, our test case will get fail in the second or third run, right? So our next reason for that is Ajax calls. Suppose there is a web page and we are selecting one value. Based on the selected value, some other drop down or some other values are getting populated, or maybe the part of a web page is getting generated. So in that case, we will not be able to use our record feature because it will always be dynamic and the values and the property of object will not be constant. So our fourth and the last reason why we can't use a spy object and record feature is for and while loop. So when we are applying a for or while loop, so always there will be XPath we need to customize. So we have to be write our XPath in a way so that it can apply with the for and while loop values. So we can't put a constant XPath or constant object property in that case. So we will not be able to use for and while loops and record our test case. So these are the major reasons that we can't use spy object and record feature in our test case every time for our project. So we have to write some customized code in a way so that our test case will pass in all the condition and always. So that's all. Thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe my videos. Thank you.